Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable Group Policy Editor in Windows 10. So let's get started. So guys, to enable Group Policy Editor, you have to simply download a file from Google Chrome. So simply open the Google Chrome. So here you have to type gpedit.enabled bat. So simply click on first link. So you can see the option of download. Click on download. Download anyway. So you can see a file is start downloading. So close the window. Now open the file explorer. Click on downloads. Now copy the file and paste here. Guys, simply right click on the file and here you can see the option of run as administrator. Now here you can see the process of enabling starts. So it takes some time. So wait for it. Now here you can see our process is completed and here it is written press any key to continue. So press any key. Now try to open group policy editor. So simply click on search bar, type cmd, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. And you have to type this key gpedit.msc and click on enter. So you can see our group policy editor has been enabled. So you can also enable the group policy editor by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.